Here are 10 popular American idioms you'll want to know. Discover them through our fun short story. Hey Mike, what does break the ice mean? Do I need a hammer?
Only if you have a giant ice block in your kitchen.
I don't, but I do have frozen chicken.
When people say it, they don't mean real ice. It means to help people stop feeling shy and start talking.
Oh, like saying, "Hi, I like your shoes."
Yes! Or telling a silly joke. It helps everyone feel more relaxed.
So I don't need a hammer.
Nope, just a smile works. Ugh, I've been sitting for hours. I need to stretch my legs.
Stretch your legs, like pull them longer. Are you trying to be taller?
No, not like that. I mean, I need to stand up and walk a little. Stretch your legs means to move around after sitting too long.
Got it, thanks. Then let's go stretch our legs to the fridge. I need snacks. Hey Mike, how was your first day teaching high school?
Honestly, I felt like a fish out of water.
A fish out of water. Don't tell me you brought one to class.
I should have. I just felt totally out of place. Like I didn't fit in. Everyone was taller than me and way more into TikTok than history.
Hang in there. You'll be swimming like a pro in that teenage ocean in no time. Hey Mike, you look tired. Are you okay?
Not really. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
Under the weather? Did you sleep outside in the rain?
No, I just mean I'm not feeling well, like I might be getting sick.
Ah, got it. So no thunderstorm, just a runny nose.
Exactly. I wish I brought an umbrella for this cold. Hey Mia, I've heard that Marco's Pizza is a real hidden gem.
Hidden gem? What? Are they hiding diamonds in the crust?
No, it just means it's an amazing place, but not many people know about it.
Oh, got it? So, like a secret spot that's actually really good?
Exactly. Great food, low prices, and no crowd. My kind of treasure.
Let's go before the whole world finds out.
Mia, you look exhausted. What's going on?
I've been burning the candle at both ends.
Oh no. Do you need extra light in your office or something?
No, I just mean I've been staying up late and waking up early. Too much work, not enough sleep.
So the candle is your energy, and now it's melted into a puddle.
Exactly. I need sleep before I become a wax statue.
Mia, this iced coffee really hits the spot.
Wait, did the coffee hit you?
No, I mean it's exactly what I needed. Hit the spot means something is really satisfying, especially when you're tired or hungry.
Oh, like when cold drink feels amazing on a hot day.
Yes, it's like your body says thank you. Whoa, this fried chicken has a good kick.
Wait, did it just kick you off your chair?
No, I mean it's spicy. It gives a strong flavor.
Oh, so kick means it has some heat, not feet.
Yup, not a karate move, just a tasty surprise.
Hey Mike, are you okay? You don't look so good.
Not really. I've got a low-grade fever.
Low grade? What do you mean?
It's just a mild fever, not serious. I'm toasty but not on fire.
So like a low score, not a high grade one.
Exactly. Just the beginner level of being sick.
Well, get some rest before you get the fever upgrade.
Mia, my weekend totally spiraled out of control.
Wait, do you mean you got sucked into a tornado?
Honestly, it felt like it. I just meant things got crazy. One party turned into 3. I lost my keys, and somehow I woke up with a llama in the backyard.
Literal meaning, spinning fast like a tornado.
Idiomatic meaning, things got crazy or went from bad to worse fast.
Next time, just spiral into bed early. Safer for everyone, especially the llama.